right, welcome back to the channel. We're not going to chop the top yet, but we're getting ready to. I've been sick. We've been building a building, all kinds of crap. But I did get the wheels in for the Baja here, and these are 12-inch wide by 15. Is what we're putting in the bag. If I can get them out of the box. How's your feet, Tommy? So these, you can see how wide they are. They're 12 inches. These are for the rear. Of course, you won't see any of this because it's going to have a solid cap here. But they are 5-inch back space, and they are for the rear. And then I ordered another set over here. I ordered a set of 10-inch wide, 15s for the front, which are these. They got the same 5-inch back space back here, and they are black, but they're gonna have the solid cap. So these are what we're using on the Baja, front and rear. I think they'll look pretty good. I'm gonna get some low profile tires because I want this thing down low, probably about 4 inches off the ground. And of course, y'all have already seen the frame, but we're gonna get back on doing that and chopping the top. The body is out of here right now. We just said I got another car coming in I gotta fix. And then we'll bring it back in and we'll chop the top on it.
So where do
step by step, so it won't be bad, but we'll let you know when we start that here shortly. We're getting regular power out here, and we got the line buried, so we're getting into that, and we get that done, we'll be able to run the plasma cutter and the welder and all that stuff then. So we'll see you then, hopefully not too long. Good day.